Fauzi, who understands the industrial control industry, will say, industrial computers generally do not require too high a configuration. Fauzi, who doesn't understand, will say that our configuration is too low. And they were right. It's just a different position. We are also constantly updating high-performance industrial PCs that can adapt to the demands of constantly evolving industrial production. No, today I will install a 14th generation high-performance industrial computer for you. Walk 28 threads with 20 cores. It's 5.25 grams, 125 watts, as you can probably guess. That's right, Intel's Core i700 14700 with 128 grams DDR for memory. Performance is leveraged. This is to RTX 3090 graphics cards. It is also used to carry this public console. These are all the components we will use next. This high-end ATX public control mainboard uses the Intel TQ670 chipset LGI 1700 architecture. It supports 12th, 13th, and even 14th generation desktop processors. This mainboard has 6 USB 3.2 ports on the coastline, 1 DP, 2 HDMI, 1 VGA display interface, 2 serial ports, 2 Intel i22.6 gigabit Ethernet ports, and 3 audio interfaces. The expansion comes with 2 PCIe by 16 slots, 3 PCIe by 4 slots, and 2 PCIe slots. There are also 3 M.2 slots. Support all kinds of expansion cards. Next, we will install the CPU radiator, memory stick, M.2, NVMe, solid-state drive, and other accessories on the main board. So our main board is assembled. The next step is to start installing it into the chassis. We use a standard CPU industrial computer chassis. Next, the power supply, the main board, and the hard disk will be carried out in sequence. Serial port and graphics card installation. Next, organize the wires. Finally, there is our RTX 3090 graphics card. Here, our high-performance graphics card light controller is almost installed. We actually use it in different industries. It will also install different types of expansion cards according to requirements to further enhance its application properties. Do you know where such a high-performance industrial control opportunity is used?